Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Mayur from YouTube channel Techno Ganesha. Welcome to my ClickCash review. Now I'm inside the members area of ClickCash, and in this video I'm going to give you the demo of ClickCash, complete walkthrough of what is inside and uh, what basically it does. So ClickCash Magic Link, you can easily earn up to $25 per click by sharing it with just click of a button. ClickCash is a done for you software that pays you for linking your YouTube video, Facebook videos, Vimeo videos, and Dailymotion videos without recording or editing any of these videos. So you get paid when somebody clicks on these links. So basically, you create one magic link, and you can link all those videos on that link. And if somebody clicks on that link, you get paid $1.25 per single click. So isn't it great, guys? So I highly recommend you should pick this up. This is going to save bunch of your money from other competitors. And we are going to go through this video of click cash. If this is something that you're interested in, just stick with me. And in this video, we are going to talk about uh, we are going to talk about the full ClickCash demo software. Then I have some epic bonuses that will help you out in the implementation after learning ClickCash. And third, we are going to go through the sales page to understand the pricing and the upsells. So how to pick my bonuses? You just have to click on the link down below in the description, which will bring you through my through my bonus page. Let you know that this is going to go live on Friday, which is 22nd of October at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As of that time, you can click on any of this yellow button that will bring you through the sales page, which will look something like this. So you have to come on the sales page and click on this yellow button to pick this up. Guys, word of warning, this is going to be live on 22nd of October, and all my epic bonuses are going to be live till this countdown timer hits zero. When it does, all my epic bonuses will expire, and that is something I don't want you to miss out on. So on the 25th, like, all my bonuses will be invalid. So now I'm going through my bonuses. So the bonus number one is Access Polarize Pro. Polarize Pro is basically a funnel. It's a bulletproof.
Polaris Club.
It's a bulletproof your results with 5 premium funnels every month to use and sell for 100% profit. So this is very powerful bonus that me and my mentor Jonah Armstrong has been designed, and we are providing this bonus. If you buy Click Cash, that will be followed by the bonus number two. It's a Learn SEO by SEO Studio. SEO is basically stands for Search Engine Optimization. Uh, after learning the SEO, you can pull a hell lot of traffic for your Click Cash link. Sorry. Then the bonus number three is learn how to drive traffic to your products. So this way, you're going to get a lot of techniques how you can drive the traffic to your page or your product or on your website or any of the link. So this is going to be very helpful for you. Like, after set up your ClickCash link, you need to have a lot of traffic, and this bonus will definitely help you into that. Then we have the bonus tutorial, learn how to blog. It's very important. You need to have the knowledge how to blog, so how to use like other blogging platforms, how to comment, how to write like the right name title of the blog. So all these like we have covered in this bonus. And then we have the vendor bonuses. So let's check out like what vendor is also offering. So all these are the vendor bonuses. So the unlimited multi-level marketing secrets, leads building expert, internet marketing fast start, affiliate marketing secrets, 30 days to bigger email list ebook, chatbot marketing mastery. So all these bonuses are also being provided by vendor. So there are a lot of bonuses from the vendors also. So there are a lot of here from the vendors. There are a lot of bonuses from the vendor. As we are going to get all the vendor bonuses, all my custom bonuses, which you will agree on are super powerful, completely free of charge, and they are going to be instantly delivered to even you will just pick up very front end of Click Cash, which is only going to be for $17. But remember, there is also discounted offer of $4, and you're going to get everything in just $13. So how to do that? Let's just follow my five simple steps. The step number one is you just have to click a link down below in the description, which will bring you through my bonus page. Step number two, simply scroll down the page and click on any of these button before this countdown times hit zero. That will bring you through the sales page. So on the sales page, you can just come on the sales page and pick this up. The step number three, after as soon as you will pick this up, you have to log into your Warrior Plus account. In the Warrior Plus account, on the right hand side where you have your username, there you will find the purchase history. Just click on the purchase history and click on uh, Click Cash. It will bring you through the receipt page that will look like this. So this is the receipt. On the receipt page, you just have to click on access affiliate bonuses. So on this blue button, like once you will click on this blue button, you can able to access all the custom bonuses, all the vendor bonuses, everything you will find it like after clicking on access affiliate bonuses. So this is the simple five steps that you have to follow to access all these bonuses. So let's go over the sales page and check it out right now. So this is the sales page. How I continuously earn $24.99, which is around $25. It's long awaited $2.6 billion loophole converts clicks to cash. Uh, when someone clicks their mouse, guarantee cash even if they don't make a purchase. uh, we have enjoyed lifelong passive profits of $500 to 1000 per day. They click and you cash out, get free traffic in 22 seconds, set up once, forgot it, and still profit. A flood of free traffic from 3.86 billion visitors. No selling required, but we are still getting paid. 30 days of money guarantee, so that they're guaranteeing money also. This is what here on the sales page. So you will scroll down the page. You can go through the sales page at your end, but let me show you some of the income proofs. So these are the income proofs. Like people are earning really good money, like in a day, like more than $550. So here is Dan. He has earned like $393. So all these are the income proofs, and people are making lot of money using click cash. So you can just go through the sales page at your end at your own time. I'm not going to waste any more time, and instead I'm going to go to the members area. Just going to give you the demo of the product. So this is the dashboard of ClickCash. It's a very nice and clean dashboard. On the left hand side we have the navigation system. So basically this application does. So you have to click on the. You have to create your own site. So all these are the list of sites. Let's have a look at one of the site. Let's go to yoga. So this way you can create your own site following some simple steps. So you have to click on the new site. You have to add the title and the logo and create site. So this way, like, your site will be created. Then you have to define your niche. Niche is kind of a category of the niche, like that you would like to show your campaigns. Then you have campaigns, create campaign, manage campaign. These are the two like very awesome traffic source that they have explained here. So you can use both this method to pull a lot of traffic to your link. Then you can create the click cash ads. You can monetize your campaigns to text ad, image ad, video ads, call to action buttons, Google AdSense banners, and Google Ads. That is followed by, like, all these are the upgrades which we can discuss later on. And then we have the tutorial section. On the top side you can able to change your password also. So this is all about the click cash. This is really amazing application where you can create your own site, like you can add all your videos. Like, there is no need to, like, you create own videos or record or edit. You can just pull it somewhere from the internet and post it on your page, and just share that page with your campaigns. And if somebody clicks on your link, you're going to get paid. So this is really amazing. Now guys, let's talk about the pricing and the upsell. Before that, we'll just go through it. Like, ClickCash is a revolving the industry with the done for you software that pays you for sharing videos without recording and editing them. With your ClickCash magic link, you can easily earn 25 to 19, like $25 per click by sharing it with just a click of button. Earn 25.99 per click instantly, on passive affiliate commission for video made by others. No content creation is needed. So let's talk about the pricing and upsell now. The front end click cash is $17. uh, for $17 with the downsell of $13. If you go to the bonus page, and if you try to close down the page, try to exit from the page, it will show you the pop-up with the discounted price. So using, like, just check out this, and like with this price you can claim the discount, and the price is just $13. So upsell number one is unlimited campaigns for $47 with the downsell of 37. So you can check out all these like the bullet points. The upsell number two is done for you campaigns for $297 with the downsell of 197. Upsell number three is high ticket maximizer for $97 with the downsell of $47. Upsell number four is traffic booster for $167 for just $67. Upsell number 5 is reseller license, so you can resell it also for $97 with just cost of $97. This is really great. Upsell number 6 is passive income masterclass for $47 with the downsell of 27. Upsell number 7 is multiple streams of income masterclass for $47 with a downsell of $27. So I will just recommend you to either you can go for this like upsell number 1. This is my recommendation, like while purchasing the front end you can go for the upsell number 1 also. That will be helpful, like while using the click cash. These are the key benefits. Let's go through them also. We are enjoying long life passive profit of $500 to 1000 per day, which is really amazing. The they click and you cash out, get free traffic in 22 seconds, set up once, forgot about it, and still profits. Flood of free traffic from 3.86 billion visitors. No selling required, but we are still getting paid. So this with the 30 days money back guarantee. So this is really amazing software. You should pick this up. There is also demo video on my bonus page. You can just have a look at that. It's I guess 9-10 minutes, like with in detail. Watch the demo video of click cash. Also there are tons of information on my bonus page as well as on the sales page. You can go through it at your end. Don't forget to go through my epic bonuses also. They will definitely help you after implementation, after learning click cash. In the implementation, they are very super powerful, and you will agree on this. They're super powerful because I have picked them to like I have picked them for you guys, so you can use them in the implementation phase after learning this. So guys, my thought on this click cash magic link. You can easily earn $25 per click by sharing by sharing it with just click of one button. Click cash is done for your software, which pays you by linking videos like YouTube videos, Facebook videos, Vimeo videos, Dailymotion videos without recording or without editing any of these videos. You just get paid by somebody clicking on these videos or links. I definitely recommend that you should pick this up. With this we are going to get all my mega bonuses, like which are completely free of cost with this application. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching my click cash video, click cash review. And I will speak to you. I will speak to you soon on the next one. All the best. Goodbye.